For the past few years, MacBook has become the most popular laptop in all specs. We use MacBook for work, video watching, video playing, and so forth. However, with only 4 USB-C ports on the new MacBook, the current accessories like USB-A mice or some device don't seem to catch up with the MacBook yet. Not to mention shared screen or using external displays. USB-C port might be a little shorthand. To fix this problem, a well-designed portable hub can do the job. This is MDS-700, mini docking station with separable module kits. With occupying 2 USB-C ports on MacBook, we are offering you 1 display port, 1 HDMI port, 1 USB 3.0 port, 1 Ethernet port, SD and micro card reader, and 1